Hi, in this video I will show you how to limit unwanted interactions on the Instagram. So if you want to limit the unwanted interaction on your Instagram, simply you have to follow these steps. So first of all, open your Instagram and log into your account, and once you will do it, now from here you have to click on your profile icon. Once you will tap on it, you have to click on the three lines on the right top. Once you will click on it, now from here you have to click on the settings, and in the settings you will see multiple options here. Simply you have to click on the privacy, and in the privacy you will see multiple options. You have to tap on the limits, so click on the continue from here, and here you will see different options. You have to click on the limit for, tap on it, change it to the 3 days or below from it, 1, 2 or 3 days. I select it 3 days and click on the set reminder and click on turn on. So in this way you can limit your interaction on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.